In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the code block feature on Squarespace. This is an essential skill if you want to customize your website beyond the limits of pre-made templates, enhancing its functionality and style with custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. First, you'll need to open Squarespace in your web browser. Once there, make sure to log into your account. This is crucial as you need access to the controls and features we're going to explore today. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't done so already. Now, direct your attention to the lower left corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice an icon with your profile picture or initials. Go ahead and click on it. This is your personal dashboard from which you can manage various aspects of your Squarespace account. Now, a list of all your existing websites will appear. From this list, you need to select the specific website you wish to work on. Simply click on the website name to open its editing menu. Next, you'll want to click on the Edit button. This step allows you to make changes to the selected page and its elements. You should now see the page layout clearly with editable sections. To add a new element, look for the option that says Add Block. Click on this option and a menu will pop up with various block types that you can add to your page. Among these options, find and click on Code. This is the feature that will let you step outside the usual design framework by enabling you to insert custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. It's a powerful tool for those who want to tailor their website's look and feel to perfectly match their vision. Once you've added the code block, double-click it. This opens a section where you can paste your custom code. At this point, be careful and deliberate. Paste your code precisely where instructed and ensure there are no errors. Even minor mistakes can result in major display or functionality glitches on your website. Before you finalize things, always double-check your code. This cannot be emphasized enough. Review it with a critical eye to confirm everything is in order. This additional step can save you a great deal of time and headache later. Finally, when you're confident that your code is accurate and complete, click the Save button. Saving your work ensures that your changes are implemented on the live website, making your customizations visible to your visitors. And there you have it, a complete guide to using the code block feature on Squarespace to enhance your website's functionality and presentation. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tips and tutorials.